Alright, we're on our way to Mom's. It's 8:30 in the morning. I know, early for me. And there goes the Mustang. Alright, we're going to turn around and we're going to track them down. Meet up with them at the school.
Thanks.
No problem.
Look at that. Two people learn something.
I have wanted one for the longest time. I just can't find one that's reasonable enough to purchase.
The thing is, of course, these used to be everywhere.
Yeah.
Of course, we're in a restaurant too.
Mm-hmm.
You go south, you go west. This is a $2,500 car. Anywhere else but here.
Oh, yeah.
Schools here local in Newcastle. We got a t-shirt, we got what I refer to as a super cool flashlight, and we also have a Delphi racing hat. So if your number ends 618, come claim your prize. 618.
This is one of the school's cars. It's an old Survivor. Old school Survivor. people on my YouTube can actually watch and see the struggles we go through for these pictures.
Right. We're gonna go up this side.
Awesome.
And we also have a hat and t-shirt to go with it. So, number 590. 590.
Alright guys, we're actually up on the roof of the Newcastle School of Trades. That way we can get a better overview of the show. Right now we have about 22 cars. We have a plan that people are coming from Pittsburgh and Ohio to try and up that number a little bit. But pretty awesome turnout for the first show. Matco truck down there. There's Mr. AJ doing all the photography.
Try not to get dizzy.
Get dizzy?
I don't like heights.
Good thing they don't bother me. There's Papa. Hi, Papa. Look up. Hi, Mom.
Hey, look up.
Say hi to YouTube. This will go right there.
The orange one?
Cool.
Yeah, I think it's slick.
88. It is just the perfect stance and the perfect style.
I like the orange with the gray, yeah.
Uh-huh. And what's nice is it's lowered, but it's not ass down.
I like Trudy's dad car, the 55.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. The other ones I like are the old Volks. Love an old Volkswagen.
I saw another one when I was driving in today. I kind of wondered if they were coming here. And then pulled into a bank.
And then someone didn't want in the car show, but there's an old Triumph over there.
Yeah, right? I get your foot down and then turn and go down. I gotta go.
Oh,
I gotta lock it
okay.
up. That wasn't just me being a chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
Watch me go first. It'll be alright, I promise. Oof. Okay, I'm good and down. Alright, you're down safe.
Who's that?
Thank you.
So go right to the automotive.
Yep. This is a beautiful building.
Yeah, sure is. 2011. And the electrical labs.
Another one here. Pretty wild.
Oh yeah, they got whole program's all like if you remember it's split. I think it's like 7 here, 5 there.
What? What's
It's like 10 foot long. It's under $40. You want to see that?
Accidentally, my fat butt off the back, she can pull a wheelie.
See the capacitors under there?
Oh wow.
23 of them under there. They're called super ultra capacitors. But I can, when this thing spools down, I can charge it in 60 seconds.
Wow.
Plugging it in, and that rear tire can do it about 2 minutes. Eventually, all your plug-in Tesla cars will have those in them. The problem is they discharge so fast. They cook a lot of things. You gotta have a really good controller to do it.
I see something down here.
It's pretty wild.
So how much did all this cost? Could you do, Pete?
He doesn't want to talk about that.
Prototype, that means a lot of money.
This is our future. Cars that beep.
Twin turbo. Spools up quick, don't it?
Wow. That's
lag.
Yeah, there's no such thing as lag with that.
You hear them turbos kick in.
That is wild.
You hit that going down the road, like, doubles your horsepower.
That is just crazy. Wow.
Garage, so I'm out there trying to stay warm, wiring stuff, you know. Now that I've done one of them, I've turbocharged cars, supercharged cars. This is the first electric thing I've ever done. I've never seen anyone ever do it. Because the guy in Florida has been playing around with it. So him and I got together and put some stuff together, and he helped me out a lot. So, like, those housings are from Austria. The impellers are made from some guy in the U.S. and the motors are Chinese. They're all special. Everything's.
Daddy, I'm going inside the car.
But what's nice is with electric, it's easier on the motor. Where a turbocharger on a regular car, it's tough on the motor because all that heat and all that back pressure, it kills the motors eventually. So this is a lot easier on the motor, you know.
And you don't have to worry about heat soak.
Correct. Yeah.
It's just nice and cold.
And it's a 20-second blast, and a quarter mile. That's all you need to do. You don't need to be. It's not a road racetrack car, you know. So it's just when you need it. You got. I'm pretty much doubling my horsepower. So I've gone from like 300 to almost 600. So. Yeah.
600 horsepower.
It's methanol injection. So and it comes in when I hit that button. Just one button, everything comes in. And those little nozzles in the front, those are the blow-off valves for the methanol. When I'm shifting gears, the throttle plate closes and that pressure has to go somewhere, so it goes out there. Sort of shoots a spray out the side, you know.
I would think it's some notice when people are beside you.
Most people are mostly oblivious.
Really?
Oh yeah.
See, I'd be more like,
pretty awesome.
It's yellow, one of my favorite colors, the black trim. Makes somebody a nice addition to their garage. So without further ado, here's one of my guest announcers. Ready?
Start riding. That's all that's going on.
The number is 758. 758.
It was their granddad that won it. I don't know. I got a feeling about that. It's all legit. It's a good thing. And we're happy for Dave. Dave, congratulations.
My mom wants to. She's their main. She's the main accountant.
Alright. Hey. I deal with this place. Newcastle School of Trades. We really appreciate you being here today.
We had a blast, thanks.
Yeah, so I need you to stay right where you're at.
Okay.
Give me that microphone. On the other side of that field is a clipboard. Over there, hello. Turn up the volume to number 1. Hello. Volume is on.
Keep going. We brought Mom's Mustang.
Hello, here we are. So we had a people's choice, and we also had a judge's choice. These numbers were not close. Guess what? Vehicle number 8, which is the lovely GMC pickup truck out there, is also the people's choice today as well. So once again, nice round of applause would be due.
Oh, I'm loving that.
Straight carbon fiber and titanium.
Nice. That's a fun ride. 30.
As you're riding, the show's going on. Cool. They're still kind of there. There's actually angels. You can see the wings sticking out the sides.
Oh, neat.
These are the eyes. Before it wore off, there was rings. You might be able to stay on the front. I probably got more traction up there. Yeah.
Oh, how cool is that?
Halo.
Oh, that's neat. What brand are those?
Pirelli Diablo Angels.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if those are GTs or not.
I don't ride enough to spend $250 on a set of tires. I'm gonna end up, the Shenkos I found, they're gonna cost me right around 180, 160.
I've always liked my Shenkos. I didn't want to try them out myself. And there ain't nowhere around here that'll give you a... I had to make that stand out.
Well, of course. That's fabulous. I wonder if he's bringing that.
That's for your mom.
Riggs, anything you want to say to YouTube for everything?
What's that?
YouTube.
Hi YouTube. Hey, it was a good day here in Newcastle School of Trades, June 16th, 2018, first annual car show. Please see us next year. Look for us on the web. Thanks.
All fun and games till the cops show up. Papa one. Toolbox Papa 1. This was donated by Anderson Tool. Right there. The Mac brand, everything's padded. This thing is nice. It's got all ball bearing drawers. These slide real nice. So yeah, we ended up winning that on, I think Dad had $10 in that pot and I had $5, but he ended up winning it. So now we have that, and we're probably going to take that and replace my old bodywork cart, which it works okay, but I mean, let's be honest, a home Mac will work a hell of a lot better. But not a bad way to end the day. My original plan was to come back here, do bodywork, but looks like rain's coming in, which sucks for me, and I'm pretty well burnt. I mean, I am cooked. Look at this. I am fried. And, you know, of course, story of my life. I'm either white as sour cream or I'm red like a lobster. There's no in between. But I may try and do a little more on Jeremy's truck. Hopefully I can. Or if it rains and we decide, then I'll stay in the garage and work on the MG. Or I could just say to heck with it and go home, edit a video, put it up early, and get a good night's rest. I don't know what's going to happen, but either way, you'll find out tomorrow, because this vlog is over. See y'all on the flip side.